So now let's add an image onto our Google Slides. So in order to upload an image from your computer to add it into your Google Slide, you have to go to Insert and then you have to go to Image. So over here you have an option to upload from computer. Simply click on that, and what happens is that an Explorer window opens up where you can select out the photo of your choice. So I'm already here in my images folder, so I'm just going to select the image that I want to insert and I'm going to press open. And you can see that the image is here. I can place it where I want and then resize this out as well. So resizing and placing, positioning is something we talk about in future lesson. So simply to insert another image, go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, select another image, press Open, and there you go. And that is how you can upload image from your computer to Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.